Did you know that you can earn or make money in Zambia by playing games? I'm sure a lot of you have been playing games without earning anything and lost time. Worry not. Today, I am going to show you some platforms that will pay you to play games. Is online gaming in Zambia really possible to make money? Appropriately, you will get paid for playing an online game. The answer is yes. Just use your spare time to make some extra cash. There are many ways to make money online, such as affiliate marketing in Zambia, freelancing, writing blogs, investing with Bitcoin Rush, etc. But one of the most convenient options is to gain money by playing games in Zambia. To make big, one can also start playing games at the casino by registering on the website of the legitimate dealer. Online gaming is fun and exciting, and it sounds great because you know you're going to get paid for playing online games. Can't compare anything to that. Probably the easiest way to make real online money. If you're a kid or have no skills, you can easily earn without any investment as well. All you need to do is take advantage of your natural abilities to play simple online games. There are many online websites where you can earn huge amounts of money in just a few minutes. The sites suggested here are fair and easy, and do not have any spam sites in exchange that do not deliver anything to you. To get the list of these websites ready to pay you to play games, click the link in the description now.